Let us study types of redox reactions. Combination reactions, decomposition reactions, displacement reactions, disproportionate reactions. Click on the button to know about them. Combination reactions. It may be denoted as either A or B, or both A and B must be in elemental form such reaction to be redox. Example, all combustion reactions. C solid and O2 gas gives CO2 gas. 3Mg solid and N2 gas gives Mg3N2 solid. Decomposition reactions. It is opposite of combination reaction. It is a breakdown of a compound into two or more components, at least one of which must be in elemental state. Example, 2H2O liquid on heating gives 2H2 gas and O2 gas. 2NaH solid on heating gives 2Na solid plus H2 gas. Elemental state. If you locate a substance in its pure form in nature and that's all you know about it, then the only thing you can say about it is that it is not very reactive. There are naturally occurring metals Au, Ag, Hg, Cu and non-metals N2, O2, the inert gases, that occur in the elemental state. They are not very reactive, but the fact that an element occurs in the elemental state will not tell you if it's a metal or a non-metal. Note that not all decomposition reactions are redox reactions. For example, decomposition of calcium carbonate is not a redox reaction. CaCO3 solid on heating gives CaO solid plus CO2 gas. Displacement reactions. In these reactions, an ion or an atom in a compound is replaced by an ion or atom of another element. A and BC goes to AC and B. Two types of displacement reactions: metal displacement and non-metal displacement. Metal displacement. As discussed earlier, in competitive electron transfer reaction, a metal in a compound is replaced by a metal in uncombined state. Example, V2O5 solid and 5Ca solid gives 2 vanadium solid and 5 CaO solid. Non-metal displacement. It involves displacement of a non-metal. Reactivity of halogens to act as oxidizing agent decreases down the group F greater than Cl greater than Br greater than I. 2H2O liquid and 2F2 gas gives 4HF aqueous and O2 gas, Cl2 gas and 2KBr aqueous gives 2KCl aqueous and Br2 gas. Includes displacement of hydrogen by reactive metals from water and acids. Water, 2Na solid and 2H2O liquid gives 2NaOH aqueous and H2 gas. Acid, Zn solid plus 2HCl liquid gives ZnCl2 aqueous and H2. In disproportionate reactions, elements in one oxidation state is simultaneously oxidized and reduced. It always involves an element which can exist in 3 or more oxidation states. Example: Cl2 and 2OH minus gives ClO minus and Cl minus and H2O. 2H2O2 solid gives 2H2O liquid and O2 solid. Oxygen of peroxide H2O2, which is -1 state, is converted to 0 oxidation state of O2 and decreases to -2 in H2O. Let us have a question. Suggest a scheme of classification of the following redox reactions. A. N2 gas plus O2 gas 2 NO gas. B. 2 PbNO3 2 solid 2 PbO solid plus 2 NO2 gas plus half O2 gas. C. NaH solid plus H2O liquid NaOH aqueous plus H2 gas. D. 2 NO2 gas plus 2 OH minus aqueous NO2 minus aqueous plus NO3 minus aqueous plus H2O liquid. Let us have the solution. In reaction A, the compound nitric oxide is formed by the combination of the elemental substances nitrogen and oxygen. Therefore, this is an example of combination redox reactions. The reaction B involves the breaking down of lead nitrate into 3 components. Therefore, this is categorized under decomposition redox reaction. In reaction C, hydrogen of water has been displaced by hydride ion into dihydrogen gas. Therefore, this may be called as displacement redox reaction. The reaction D involves disproportionate of NO2 plus 4 state into NO2 minus plus 3 state and NO3 minus plus 5 state. Therefore, reaction D is an example of disproportionate redox reaction.